Hello, this is David from Garden G1. I'm just going to demonstrate how you put the attachment onto your chest harness for the body camera. You can see these slots here where this attachment slides into. Okay, it's very simple. It's quite a snug fit, quite tight, so it's not going to be loose so your body camera flops everywhere. So you get this here and it just slides in. It's that simple. To release it, you need to squeeze these two together and then just simply push it out. Yeah? So you see these here? As you can see, that's where it slots into here. Okay, I'm going to pull it back out again. I'm going to show you this attachment here, which connects onto this. You line the hole up with this attachment, then you put this bolt in. I say it's simple, but I'm struggling. Anyway, not really. Anyway, yeah, bolt goes in here. And once again, this simply slides into there. Okay. And your body camera slides onto this attachment here. So to release it, you press these two together. Okay. See the gap there? It's simple. Either way it can go, the top or the bottom. Then it just slides in. It's that easy. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you.